Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in XENEA Wallet new campaign started name as XSTAR, and if you completed the whole campaign you will get approximately 3000 gems, and I will teach you how to complete the whole campaign and all the answers of the question. Firstly click on missions button. Here you see a new campaign. Click on it. Campaign name XSTAR. Campaign started date 28 March and ending date 31st May. First of all, click on daily check-in bonus. Here you see I got 114 gems. Now there is a quiz, total 6 questions, and you will get every correct answer 100 gems, and if you complete all the 6 answers correctly you will get 1000 more gems. After this you will see some missions, total 3 missions. Follow XSTAR X account, join XSTAR Discord server, join XSTAR Telegram. If you complete all 3 missions you will get 1500 more gems. Firstly I will provide you all the quiz answers. Click on start quiz button. Quiz number 1, and the correct answer is option number 2. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see I got 100 gems as a correct. Click on continue. Now quiz number 2, correct answer option number 1. Click on it and click submit. Quiz number 2 also got 100 gems as a correct. Click on continue. Quiz number 3, correct answer again option number 1. Click on it and click submit. Here you see quiz 3 also correct and get 100 gems. Quiz number 4, again option 1 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit. Here you see again got 100 gems as a correct. Click on continue. Quiz number 5, again option number 1 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see quiz 5 also got 100 gems as a correct. Now the last quiz number 6, and option number 2 is the correct option. Click on it and click submit button. Here you see quiz number 6 also correct and got 100 gems. Click on continue. Now you see I'll complete the whole quiz as a correct and got 1000 extra gems as a correct reward. Get more gems. Now I will provide you how to get these 1500 gems. First click on first mission, then go back and your mission will be completed. I got 500 gems and mission completed. Now click on Discord, go back. No need to join, just go back, and again 500 gems received. Now click on the final mission, join XSTAR Telegram, then go back and you will get again 500 gems. Now you see I completed all the 3 missions. So I will provide you the correct answers of all the quiz questions and how to solve these 3 missions. So hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.